이 영상은 워너브러더스와 함께합니다.
Once upon a time, in a faraway land called Washington Heights. Say it so it doesn't disappear.
Washington Heights!
Lights up on Washington Heights. Up at the break of day, I wake up and I got this little punk I gotta chase away. Pop the grate at the crack of dawn, sing while I wipe down the awning.
Hey, good morning.
Ice cold piragua, cherry, strawberry, and just for today, I got my mate.
It's a story of a block that
Lights up on Washington Heights. Up at the break of day, I wake up and I got this little punk I gotta chase away. Pop the grate at the crack of dawn, sing while I wipe down the awning.
Hey, good morning.
Ice cold piragua, palcha, china, cherry, strawberry, and just for today, I got my mate.
Oye, piragüero, ¿cómo estás?
Como siempre, señor Usnavi. Ice cold piragua, palcha, china.
I am Usnavi, and you probably never heard my name. Reports of my fame are greatly exaggerated, exacerbated by the fact that my syntax is highly complicated. Cause I immigrated from the single greatest little place in the Caribbean, Dominican Republic. I love it, Jesus, I'm jealous of it. And beyond that, ever since my folks passed on, I haven't gone back. God damn, I gotta get on that. Oh, the milk is gone bad. Hold up just a second. Why is everything in this fridge warm and tepid? I better step it up and fight the heat, cause I'm not making any profit if the coffee isn't light and sweet.
Abuela, my fridge broke. I got café, but no con leche.
Ay, Dios. Try my mother's old recipe. 1 can of condensed milk.
Nice. Oh, hey, your lottery ticket.
Paciencia y fe.
That was Abuela, she's not really my abuela, but she practically raised me. This corner is her escuela now. You're probably thinking, I'm up Schitt's Creek.
I've never been north of 96th Street.
Well, you must take the A train. Even farther than Harlem to northern Manhattan and maintain. Get off at 181st and take the escalator. I hope you're writing this down, I'm gonna test you later. I'm getting tested, times are tough on this bodega. 2 months ago, somebody bought Ortega's. Our neighbors started packing up and picking up, and ever since the rent went up, it's gotten mad expensive, but we live with just enough.
In the Heights, I flip the lights and start my day. There are fights and less debts and bills to pay. In the Heights, I can't survive without cafe. As tonight seems like a million years away. In Washington.
Next up, ding, Kevin Rosario. He runs the cab company. He struggles in the barrio. See, his daughter Nina's off at college. Tuition is mad steep, so he can't sleep. Everything he get is mad cheap.
Good morning, Usnavi.
Pan caliente, café con leche.
Put $20 on today's lottery.
Okay, must be a lucky day.
Gotta be.
Oh my God, you're so excited.
My Nina flew in at 3 a.m. last night.
Sweet, Abuela's been cooking all week.
Compay, when I see you this weekend, are we gonna eat?
So then Yesenia walks in the room. She smells sex and she perfume. It smells like one of those trees that you hang from the rear view. I know. It's true. She screams, "Who's in there with you, Julio?"
Daniela.
Grabs the bat and kicks in the door.
Carla.
He's in bed with Jose from the liquor store.
No me diga. And that's Cuca, the salon ladies.
Thanks, Usnavi.
Uka.
Bye.
Sonny, you're late.
Chillax. You know you love me?
Me and my cousin running just another dime a dozen. Mom and pop stop and shop. And oh my God, it's gotten too darn hot. Like my man Cole Porter said, people come through for a few cold waters and the lottery ticket. Just a part of the routine. Everybody's got a job. Everybody's got a dream. They gossip as I sip my coffee and smirk. The first stop is people hop to work. Bust it. I'm like $1, $2, $1.50, $1 $169, I got it. You want a box of condoms? What kind? That's 2 quarters, 2-quarter waters. The New York Times, you need a bag for that. The taxes added. Once you get some practice at it, you do rapid mathematics automatically. Selling maxi pass.
이 영상은 워너브러더스와 함께합니다.
Yes, but they press through the mess, bounce checks and wonder what's next.
In the Heights, I buy my coffee and I go. I buy my coffee and set my sights on only what I need to know. I need to know. In the Heights, money is tight, but even so, when the lights go down, I blast my radio.
You ain't got no skills. Ready? Yo, let me get a Milky Way. Yep. And let me also get a Daily News and the Post and the most important mile. Boss, a second coffee, 1 cream, 5 sugars. I'm the #1 earner. What? The fastest learner. What? Boss, he can't keep me on the damn back burner. Yes, he can. I'm making moves, I'm making deals, but guess what? What? You still ain't got no skills. Party hard. Yo, Vanessa, show up yet? Shut up. Hey, little homie, don't get so upset. Man. Tell Vanessa how you feel. Buy the girl a meal on the wheel, or you ain't got no skills.
Mr. Johnson, I got the security deposit. It's locked in a box in the bottom of my closet. It's not reflected in my bank statement, but I've been saving to make a down payment and pay rent. No, I won't let you down.
Oh, here's your chance. Ask her out right now.
I'll see you later, we can look at that lease.
Oh, do something. Make your move. Don't freeze. Hey.
You owe me a bottle of cold champagne.
Are you moving?
Just a little credit check and I'm on that downtown train.
Well, your coffee's on the house.
Okay.
Navi, ask her out. No way.
I'll see you later, so.
Whoa. Yo, smooth operator. Oh, damn, there she go. Yo, bro, take a walk outside. You look exhausted. Boss, don't let life slide. The whole hood is struggling. Times is tight, and you're stuck to this corner like a street light. Yeah, I'm a street light choking on the heat. The world spins around while I'm frozen to my seat. The people that I know all keep on rolling down the street. But every day is different, so I'm switching up the beat. Because my parents came with nothing. They got a little more and sure we're poor. But yo, at least we got the store. And it's all about the legacy they left with me. It's destiny. And one day I'll be on the beach with Sunny writing checks to me.
In the Heights, I hang my flag upon display.
We came to work and to live, and we got a lot in
It
common.
reminds me that I came from miles away.
D.R.P.R. we are non-stop.
In the Heights,
Every day, paciencia y fe.
Until the day we go from poverty to stock
in the
options.
Heights, I got today.
Today's all we got, so we cannot stop. This is our block.
In the Heights, I hang my flag upon display. Reminds me that I came from miles away. My family came from miles away. In the Heights, it's more expensive every day. And tonight is so far away.
But as for mañana, mi pana, you gotta just keep watching. You see the late nights who taste beans and rice, the syrup and shaved ice. I ain't gonna say it twice. Turn out the street lights. We taking the flight to a couple of days in the life for what it's like
In Washington Heights.
96,000. Damn. 96,000.
Dollars? Holla!
96,000.
That's a lot of spray cans.
96,000. Yo, if I won the lotto tomorrow, well, I know I wouldn't bother going on no spending spree. I pick a business school and pay the entrance fee. And maybe if you're lucky, you'll stay friends with me. I'll be a businessman richer than Nina's daddy. Tiger Woods and I on the links, and he's my caddy. My money's making money. I'm going from po to modo. Keep the bling. I want the brass ring like Frodo. Oh no, here goes Mr. Braggadocio. Next thing you know, you lying like Pinocchio. Yo, if you scared of the bulls, stay out the rodeo.
Yo, I got more flows than Obi-Wan Kenobi.
Oh, you better stop rapping. You not ready. It's gonna get hot and heavy, and you already sweaty.
Yo.
Yo, I'm sorry. Was that an answer? Shut up, go home, and pull your damn pants up. As for you, Mr. the Frodo or the Shire.
What?
96 G's ain't enough to retire. Come on.
I have enough to knock your ass off its axis.
You'll have a knapsack full of Jack after taxes.
96,000. Ay, alabanza. 96,000.
이 영상은 워너브러더스와 함께합니다.
Shit.
96,000. For real though, imagine how it would feel going real slow down the highway of life with no regrets and no breaking your neck for respect or a paycheck. For real though, I take a break from the wheel and we'll throw the biggest block party, everybody here. A weekend where we can breathe, take it easy.
Yo, mom, it's me. Check my ticket. Check 1, 2, 3. What would you do with 96 G's? I mean, if it's just between you and me.
Esa pregunta es tricky.
I know.
With 96 G's, I'd start my life with a brand new lease. Atlantic City with a Malibu breeze.
And a brand new weave.
Or maybe just bleach.
Y'all are freaks.
Yo, I'm just saying. It's silly when we get into these crazy hypotheticals. You really want some bread, then go ahead, create a set of goals and cross them off the list as you pursue them. And with those 96, I know precisely what I'm doing.
What you doing?
What am I doing? What am I doing? It takes half of that cash just to save my ass from financial ruin. Sonny can keep the coffee brewing. I spend a few on you, cause the only room with the view is a room with you in it. And I could give up like Claudia the rest of it. Just fly me down to Puerto Plata, I'll make the best of it. You really love this business?
No.
What's up? Merry Christmas. You now the youngest tycoon in Washington, isn't it?
Yo, in 96,000, I'd finally fix housing. Give the body your computers and wireless web browsing. Your kids are living without a good education. Change the station, teach them about gentrification. The rent is escalating, the rich are penetrating. We pay our corporations when we should be demonstrating. What about immigration? Politicians be hating. Racism in this nation's gone from latent to blatant. I cash my ticket and picket, invest in protest. Never lose my focus till the city takes notice. And you know this, man, I never sleep because the ghetto has a million promises for me to keep.
$96K. Go.
If I win the lottery, you'll never see me again.
Damn, we only joking. Stay broke then.
I'll be downtown. Get a nice studio. Get out of the barrio.
Real though, imagine how it feel going real slow down the highway of life with no regrets and no breaking your neck for respect or a paycheck. For
It's
real
silly when
though,
we get
I
into
take
these
a
crazy
break
hypotheticals.
They used to say, if you work hard, you live by the rules, the money will come, the things will come.
You ready?
I've been saving up all my pennies in my piggy bank for this day.
Today's all we got, so we cannot stop. This is our block.
In the heights, I hang my flag on this way.
Cheers.
It reminds me that I came from miles away.
This is crazy!
From miles to the heights.
The best days of my life. And I built my little dream, my sueñito,
In the heights, the late nights you taste beans.
here
Ice.
in Washington Heights.
Like the street lights, we're taking the flight to a couple of days in the life for what it's like in Washington Heights.